Okay, so we have our data set now, and what I wanted to do is just insert a few columns um, so that you can ask some different questions. You might have some really interesting questions, but the data isn't in a form that you can really answer it. Right now, we've got what's called longitudinal data. So we've been collecting since fall of 2018, and so there might be some interesting just yearly questions. Are squirrels behaving differently um, year to year, or are there seasonal differences? And you can answer those questions, but you can't answer them with the data that we have right now. And so what I'm going to do is just show you a couple tricks to enter a few columns, and we'll just put them here. Um, and so you can insert some new columns by going Insert, Column, and I'm going to insert two of them right away. I'm going to call one year, and I'm going to call one month. Um, and we're going to use just the timestamp. We'll see if that's formatted as a date. If we formatted it correctly when we set up the form, this should work. I have noticed that some of the dates are entered in wonky. We can use anything that's formatted as a date, but let's just start here. So we're going to type in equals, and if I type in equals, that means that Excel's looking for some formula. And what I'm going to do is type in year and then parentheses, and then grab something that's formatted as a date, and then hit enter. And fortunately, it worked. So here we've got year formatted. And now I can double click on this corner, and it should paste that all the way down um, uh, the 15,000 rows or so of data that we actually have. And then we can do the same thing with month. And similarly, there's a formula for month. We just type in month, parentheses, grab this and enter. Now we've got just extracted the month. If we click on that and just go to this corner and double click it, it should enter that in. So now I will give you one more here, and if we just insert another column, and let's call that season, because right now we've got potentially 12 months, right? And so maybe looking at 12 months might be a little bit much in terms of an analysis, but we could say, are there differences in squirrel behaviors seasonally, and then break the 12 months into the 4 seasons. Just select 3 months per season. Uh, for example, June, July, August would be summer. September, October, November would be fall. December, January, February would be winter. And to do that, and I'm not going to do it all, I'm just going to get you started here. The first thing that we want to do is, again, sort that data. And now we're going to sort it by month. And now we can enter those seasons in. So if we said December, January, February were winter, I've got January data, and I can just go January, February. I'm just kind of dragging down here because I don't know how much of each of these I have. And so there would be winter, and then I would do the same thing here for spring. And then I would have an entire column now of season, and then that would be something else I could do. All right, so best of luck on your data cleaning and analysis.